Welcome to my channel. Flight Assistance. Big trouble for Boeing 787 and Airbus A321XLR deal changes. Major turbulence in the aviation world. Boeing faces fresh trouble as more 787s are grounded, raising serious concerns. Meanwhile, Airbus sees unexpected shifts in A321XLR orders from key airlines. What's behind these sudden changes? Boeing 787 groundings. Engine supply issues. The primary driver of Boeing 787 groundings is engine maintenance challenges, particularly with Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engines. A global supply chain crisis has limited the availability of raw materials, reducing new engine production and delaying repairs. Airlines like Vietnam Airlines have reported maintenance delays extending beyond a month, disrupting operations and finances. Impact on Air New Zealand. Air New Zealand has been significantly affected, with 7 to 8 Boeing 787s grounded in early 2025, increasing to 10 to 11 by the second half of the year. This has forced route network adjustments, as the airline struggles with reduced capacity on key international routes. British Airways operational challenges. British Airways faces ongoing 787 groundings due to engine part shortages and uncertainty around maintenance timelines. 4 aircraft remain out of service, complicating network planning and capacity forecasting. The airline has had to cancel or adjust routes to manage the disruptions. Kenya Airways financial strain. Kenya Airways has 3 787s grounded, impacting its ability to meet long-haul demand. The airline anticipates significant revenue losses in 2025 due to these groundings, with 1 aircraft expected to return soon, and the others by late 2025, provided no further delays occur. Manufacturing and quality control issues. Beyond engine woes, Boeing 787 groundings have been linked to manufacturing defects. In 2020, fuselage issues like improper gaps and bonding led to temporary groundings. In 2024, falsified inspection records at Boeing's South Carolina facility prompted FAA investigations, raising concerns about structural integrity and safety. Safety incidents prompting scrutiny. 2024 LATAM Airlines 787 incident, where a mid-air dive injured over 50 passengers due to a pilot seat malfunction, and an Air India Flight 171 crash, potentially linked to a rare double-engine failure, have fueled FAA discussions about possible fleet-wide groundings. These incidents highlight operational and safety challenges. A321XLR delivery delays. The Airbus A321XLR, a long-range narrow-body designed to compete with Boeing's offerings, faces delays due to supply chain issues. American Airlines' first A321XLR, delivered in July 2025, remains grounded in Europe due to missing cabin seats, delaying its US debut until late 2025 or later. Air Canada's order adjustments. Air Canada has postponed delivery of its first A321XLR and Boeing 787-10 aircraft to 2026, citing supply chain disruptions and production challenges at Airbus and Boeing. The airline's order for 30 A321XLRs is critical to its long-range fleet renewal but faces delays similar to those affecting the 787-10. A321XLR's market advantage. The A321XLR's 4,700 nautical mile range allows airlines to serve thinner transatlantic and long-haul routes efficiently, filling a gap left by Boeing's discontinued 757. Its fuel efficiency and single-aisle design make it a strong competitor, with over 5,000 A321neo family orders, including XLR variants. Boeing's response. The 797 NMA. Boeing's new midsize airplane, NMA, tentatively called the 797, aims to counter the A321XLR with a twin-aisle jet offering 220 to 270 seats in a 5,000 nautical mile range. However, development delays due to the 737 MAX crisis and other priorities have left Boeing without a direct competitor, allowing Airbus to dominate this market segment. The Boeing 787's groundings stem from a mix of engine supply chain issues, manufacturing defects, and safety concerns, affecting airlines like Air New Zealand, British Airways, and Kenya Airways. Meanwhile, the A321XLR's delayed entry into service, as seen with American Airlines and Air Canada, underscores broader industry supply chain challenges. Airbus capitalizes on Boeing's struggles with the A321XLR's efficiency and range, while Boeing's delayed 797 NMA leaves it playing catch-up in the middle of the market segment. These developments highlight the aviation industry's ongoing battle with reliability, production, and safety standards. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.